Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the country setting on a Windows 11 device. If you want your system to match your current location or access region-specific content, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly and easily. Let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon in your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Next, navigate to the Time and Language section to access all the language and region options. Then, click on Language and Region. After that, click on the drop-down menu next to Country or Region. A list of available countries will appear. Scroll through the list and choose the country that matches your current location or the region you want your system to reflect. Finally, after selecting your preferred country, close the settings window. Your changes will apply immediately, and your Windows 11 device will now reflect the new country settings. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful Windows tutorials.